Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to show you a film simulation from the Fuji Weekly community page. Now I didn't know this page actually existed till last week when I kind of found it on the website. It is a section of the Fuji Weekly website, I will link it down below, where community members can add and submit their own Fujifilm simulation recipes. Now this one I'm going to share today is based on Astia. It is contributed by Thomas Schwab. It's called Asti Amor. I took these pictures all with the Fuji X100V, went out to Trout Lake, which is a park close to the downtown core of Vancouver. Fall colors are starting to come out, and this film simulation really makes the reds popped. It is based on the Kodak Ektar 100 film, based on Richie's recipe of this, but it was had some tweaks made for the sensor in the X100V, the X-Trans 4 sensor. So a few tweaks on that. And this is what you will find on the community webpage for the Fuji Weekly site. There's a ton of film simulations, and they're all kind of, a lot of them are based on different sensors from different generations of camera. So what the users have done is adjusted some of these to work better with different and newer sensors. So I hope you enjoy this. Lots of sample images are there. The fall colors were starting to come out. Probably needs about another week for the colors to really get out in fall. I'll try and get out to some parks, obviously, to get these fall shots. Are always a great time of year. I hope you enjoy the photos and check out the recipe. I will link the recipe down below, but also list the recipe down below so you can try it on your own camera. As always, make sure you let me know what photo you like the best. Constructive criticism, always appreciated. We've gone from doing a lot of city photos, we're going to hit some more nature photography on this channel, so it's great to have you follow along. Give this film simulation recipe a try if you have the X-Trans 4 sensor. Also, make sure you go check out the community website on the Fuji X Weekly website as well to see a whole bunch of other film simulations from users in the Fuji community. And don't forget, check out Thomas's Instagram. He's also got a lot of other film simulation samples on his Instagram. Thanks for sharing this one, Thomas, and we'll see you all in the next video.